Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a special hello to you. Hi! And if you are new here, I would like to ask you to consider subscribing and being a part of my YouTube family here. We do all kinds of unboxings, and today we are going to do a lifestyle beauty box is what I call it, or I guess it's a self-care. But we have hashtag love yourself, which is the May single swags box. This box has 6 to 8 items in it and it runs $39.99. You can get it for less if you have a coupon. Last month I posted that I had a 50% off coupon. You could go check out my last video, and I'll try to remember to put the tag up there if you want to see what the coupon code is, because that allows you to get this box for like $17 a month, and it usually has a $200 value, so they say. But as we go through this, you may see that it may not be quite that large of a value in the overall picture, but at least gives you a pretty good value for your dollar. So let's open this up and see what we have. Here's our little sneak peek. We have our product card, and it's a $218 value, and it just says everything's 50% off retail in the shop. So be sure and check out their shop. I don't know if you have to be a member for that or not. When you're thinking about who to be good to, think of yourself. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. And I can't wait. And they have their typical black paper on top. And on the inside here, we're going to have a bunch of surprises to help us, relax and do a little bit of self-care. And our first item is an Indigo Authority, and this is a Monarch pastel bracelet and earrings, and it has a value of $52, and that is right here. And Indigo is one of their brands that they carry on a regular basis. And let's see what we have here. This is a repeat, and this is probably one reason I won't continue this particular subscription. They are doing, I can't tell you how many repeats, but this is a repeat. It's a $52 value, which I would not pay $52 for this. I'd be hard-pressed to pay $10 for it. That's just my personal opinion. But it is the Monarch pastel bracelet and earrings. It's a chic beaded bracelet and diamond-shaped earrings that will wow everyone this summer and throughout the year. So this I have seen before, and yes, you will see this in a giveaway at some point in time because I already have one. Okay guys, let's move on to the next item. The next item is a Gemma Simone, and this is a knotted rose velvet top knot headband. And this has a value of $24. And again, I would pay $5, that's it. And I have one of these already, but I will keep this and use it because sometimes I misplace the other one. Now I have two I can grab. And it is the stylish, trendy, 100% cotton, one size that fits all, great for at home or on the go. And I will say, quality-wise and usage-wise, it's very nice and very comfortable. It's not too heavy or hard on your head to give you a headache, because I have some headbands that can and do give me a headache. Okay, let's see what the next item is. Let's see if I have it already. The next item is the Wander luggage tags, and it has a value of $22. And yeah, guys, this is a complete repeat box so far. This is the Wander tag, and that's what it looks like. And you have two of them. One in the, I guess, the flowery colors, and then both of them have your name and address, so you have a set of two that you can use. And it's inside this little box here. And they say the value is $22. Again, I wouldn't pay that much because at the airport they give them to you free. And, they're not fancy like that, but they work. And anyways, it says the set features a large, durable, vegan leather adjustable luggage tags with removable ID cards. Not all those who wander are lost. That's interesting, I suppose. Let's see what our next item, oh, it's another repeat, I can tell you. It's called Flight Mode. Flight Mode Skincare, and this is High Altitude Hydration Mask. It's $32, and sit back, relax, and get some beauty sleep while this Australian wild berry harvest, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and cucumber extract work to hydrate and plump up your skin. No need to wash off, as the formula will absorb into your skin as you relax and sleep. And I will say this is a good altitude hydration mask. I have used it and it works quite well. But I have several because I think they've sent me several. So anyway, we're having a hit here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 repeats. Let's see if the next is a repeat. The next item is Babe Beauty, and it's a 5-piece under mask set. And yes, this is a repeat too. And I do use the eye mask. The 5-piece under mask set is a value of $28. It's infused with 24-karat gold and collagen. It will nourish your tired eyes while replenishing your skin. Each mask treatment will lighten dark circles and create supple, smooth eyes. And I would have to say that's true. This is a good mask, and I do enjoy it, and I'll use this. And so it was a $28 value. And our next item is Goddess, and this is a macaron oil conditioning spray. Now this I'm not sure if I have or not. This here has a $34 value, and it's an add hydration and shine to your routine with this lightweight argan oil conditioning spray. Use on dry or damp hair. So either way you can use it. And I'm going to have to open it up to see if I've had it before, because I don't remember like the brown packaging here. So if this ends up in a giveaway, you know I did open it up as far as to look at it. And no, I don't think that I've had this before. So this is new for me, and it's something that I probably might like to spray on my hair. Let me see. It says dry or damp hair, so might as well use it now and see what it's like. Maybe it'll add a little shine to my hair. It smells good, I will say that. That was a $34 value, and it's highly likely because hair products are expensive. Everything seems to be these days. Our next item is a Kind bar, and we do get Kind bars, but they send us different ones, and I don't know that I've had the peanut butter one. But this time I got the peanut butter. It's a $2 value, and it says enjoy a delicious treat from this world-renowned brand that reminds you to do the kind thing for your body, your taste buds, and your world. And I would say that's a good thing, and Kind bars are very good. So if you have not ever gotten the single swag box, this would be a wonderful box to be getting for your first box. So don't let it put you off that I have gotten repeats. I have had single swag for 2 years or almost 2 years. So I've heard a lot of others say after a while you start getting repeats, and at the time I didn't get any. So don't worry about that if that is something that you're concerned about. Our next item is from Jelly Pong Pong. It's a Luxurious Glow Primer, and it's a $24 value. And it's a non-sticky, revitalizing primer that gives your skin a supple glow while helping you look fabulous, wide awake. Formulated with peach kernel oil and organic extract that are known for helping to keep skin gently nourished and supple. This non-greasy elixir is infused with radiance impacting pigments to issue a natural looking pearlescent radiance anywhere you use on your face or body. So you can use this on either part. So my suggestion to you, and I'm going to open this up, is look to see if that 50% coupon is still good that I posted last month. And like I said, I'll try to have that up there for you, or you can go to my videos on my channel page and scroll down and find it. But this is Luxury Luxe Glow Primer, and I can tell you I have not had this product before, so I look forward to trying this. Right now I have on Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Glow, or whatever she calls it, and that stuff is magic. It works great. But that is my single swag. And I wanted to tell you, I went to the store today, several stores, and people noticed my eyeshadow and commented on it. And I want y'all to know this came out of the Ice Cream Beauty. It was the last box, and I had the Moon palette. So for any of you that are wanting to know how the Moon palette can look on your eyes, that's how it can look. And I used every color in the packet. So this is a full ray of blending all the colors on your eyelids. So guys, this is my single swag. And again, if you want single swag, look for a coupon, 40 to 50% off. If you can't find one and you want this box, you can subscribe now, and more than likely you'll get the May box and you can get $15 off. And my code and link is down in the description. You can get that first one. If you don't want to continue, you can always cancel. But I'm just telling you, there are other coupons that can be available out there. Well, now you guys tell me, what was your favorite item? For me, my favorite item is going to be the Moroccan argan oil, and it's going to be this primer, this glow primer, because I don't have either one of these, and I'm happy about that. And I'm going to tell you, I will certainly eat my Kind bar, no problem there. So those are my favorites. You tell me your favorites. You tell me what you think about them doing so many repeats in one box. At first I thought this was going to be a complete repeat over and over and over. And surprise, we're going to have a surprise giveaway here. And my surprise giveaways are open-ended. But in this surprise giveaway, you're going to get the luggage tags. There's 2 of them. So if you want to have a nice, pretty luggage tag, which I do have these on my luggage, so it's not like I'm using the free ones from the airport. So if you'd like a set of these and the indigo bracelet and earrings, use the word repeat. Use the word repeat down in the sentence for a surprise giveaway. And those 2 items, and possibly this one, will be in that giveaway. For sure, the first 2 things that I showed you. But yeah, you know what? I'm going to just throw in the flight mode, because I've already got a full tube of this, and I think I have a backup. So you can get 3 of the things that I got. Yeah, I got 8 items. I'm going to give you 3 in this surprise giveaway. It can end at any time. YouTube and our Single Swag are not responsible or affiliated with this giveaway in any way, shape, or form. You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address in the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell. And you must use the code word that I mentioned just a while ago. And the other rules will be down in the description for you to look at. But I will tell you, I'm not responsible if the postman loses it, drops it, or breaks it. I'm not responsible for any reactions. If you use this flight mode and it breaks you out, I'm not responsible for that. I don't think flight mode's responsible for that. I think you should be a responsible person and do a little test area if you have sensitive skin to make sure that you're not going to have a response to it that's negative before you apply it, and or check with your physician. But as for today and the surprise giveaway, don't forget, I hope you all join in if you haven't already got these products. But as for today and Single Swag, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.